Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to give you 5 reasons to join wealth step by step. And these are 5 of the reasons why I recently joined. And a bit later on in the video, I'm going to share with you some proof of commissions. And I'm also going to give you free access. There'll be no opt-in. It's free access to a 7-figure earners blueprint training that you can use to promote wealth step by step and become successful with this program. So first of all, let's look at reason number 1. And the compensation plan, there'll be a link in the description where you can get more information, and you can come to this page here. You can click on pay plan, and if you want to sign up and join, you can join with the sign link there. But what you look at here is the matrix, and the key thing about this matrix is it's a forced matrix. And because we are the fastest growing team within wealth step by step, then what the force matrix means, I'll show you some proof of how this has worked for me a bit later on. But what happens is, reason number 1 is we put paid members into your team. So what you have here is you've got level 1, and level 1 has 3 members in the matrix, and they're your qualifying members. So you don't earn any money. This is your income column here. You don't earn any money from level 1. And with the rotator, I had 3 members. I'll show you some proof shortly of this put into my team. But then, this is where it gets more interesting. Then you go on to level 2. And the key thing to remember with the force matrix is when you've got team members that are consistently promoting, once their matrix is filled, the paid members get passed down to you. So on the second level, there's 9 to go into that level there. And then you earn $4 monthly recurring. That's not instant commissions, monthly recurring on each of those. So 9 fours equals $36. So that's $36 a month that you're going to earn in recurring commission. And it only costs $15 a month to become a member. So once you get to this stage here, you're going to be forever in profit. And then, because it's a force matrix, all those team members above you that are promoting, and we also promote a rotator, we help you build, 27 go into that matrix. 27 times $4 is a monthly income, recurring income. There's also a fast start bonus. We're going to come to that a bit later on. So it's not just monthly recurring income. There's also a fast start bonus. So remember, you're paying $15 a month, but when this level of your matrix fills, once this level is filled, you've got to give it time. You've got to be in wealth step by step for the long term. Then you're going to be well into profit. And then when this is the 4th level of the matrix, and the 4th level has 81 members times $4. So the total is $468 of monthly recurring income. And you get a free autoresponder with that. And you're going to be paying $15 a month. That doesn't go up. That's a set membership fee. You pay $15 per month. So we're going to help you fill your matrix. So we also teach you how to promote so you can fill it faster. And that's just the first matrix. There are 2 more. I'm not going to go into that today. I don't want to overload you with information. So the key thing is to grab your position now and get on level 1 so you can promote, we'll teach you how to promote, and also you can start to fill your first level, and after that you'll be qualified to start earning monthly recurring commissions and fast start bonus. So reason number 1 is we put paid members into your team. Reason number 2 is you can't fail because it's a forced matrix. These paying members have to be placed below us when we fill our matrix. So reason number 3 is a growing monthly recurring income. So once you fill this matrix here, you go from $36, then it goes up to $144, and then $468. So it's a growing long-term monthly recurring income. You're paying your $15. Okay. That does go up when you get into the next matrix, but you're going to be earning more income to cover your costs. Let me show you some proof of how that works. So I'm live in my back office here. And if you look here, it says blank, the flashing blank indicates fast start bonus. So I've referred Kevin, and well, first of all, let me show you this level 1 here, level 1, which I showed you on here as having 3 members in there. So I was given these 3 members from the rotator, and you'll see I'm starting to fill my level 2. So I've got 4 of my level 2 positions filled, and I've got a fast start bonus, and I've also got monthly recurring commission. So your fast start bonus for your referrals is $10. That's a one-off payment. And then your $4 is your monthly recurring. So once I've got to 9 positions in level 2, I didn't put all these in. Sterling was given to me. So I didn't put, I referred Robert, I referred Kevin, but these 3, you'll see here, sponsor was Frank, sponsor was Frank, sponsor was Frank. So those were given to me from the rotator. So I'm just showing you proof that the rotator actually works. And then I've referred a couple here, and I've had another one placed in from the rotator as well. So once I filled my level 2 with 5 more, then I'll go on to level 3, and my growing monthly recurring income is going to go up. So reason number 4 is we are the fastest growing team. And that benefits you because it means the rotator and the levels, by using the rotator, then it means your levels fill up faster by joining the fastest growing team. And reason number 5 is this reason here. All the done for you free resources that we give you with our team. So this is a complete done for you system. We even teach you where to get the traffic. We've got traffic training. But the resource we give you here, we give you all these lead capture pages, all done for you. All you do to create these, it's really simple. You join Leads Leap. Leads Leap is lifetime, free lifetime membership, and we give you what's called a share code. This is a share code here. So all you do is when you go into Leads Leap, I teach you how to do this. It's really beginner friendly as well. If you're brand new, it's really simple. All you do is you get that share code and you copy and paste it into the back of Leads Leap with a few clicks, and you'll get a lead capture page exactly the same as this, completely done for you. And all you do is get your link and you start to promote it. And we even give you see this column here, emails. We even give you the email follow-ups to boost your conversion. So you don't have to create any email copy. You don't have to think about subject lines. Everything's been done for you. This is a complete system where we help you every step of the way. And there's other additional resources here. We've got some banners. We've got a vault here with all the traffic training that you need. I'll mentor you one-to-one as well if you need my help. And this one here is another reason. This is a 7-figure earner blueprint training that you can use to promote wealth step by step. And it will work for any affiliate offer that you're going to promote now or in the future. And it's by Jeff Amon, who's a 7-figure earner, and he quit his job using this system. So all you do is click the link in the description, and there's no opt-in. It'll say free 7-figure earners blueprint training, and it'll take you to this training page. And all you do is, that's Jeff there in the bottom left-hand corner. I've been following, so I've been working with Jeff now for just over a year, and following this system that he taught me over a year ago. So all you do is watch his video tutorials. They're very beginner friendly. You can use free tools. There are upgrade options, but you can use them for free. It's a step-by-step 7-video tutorial training and a system you can set up that you can use to promote wealth step by step, or any other offer that you're looking to promote now or in the future. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support my YouTube channel. And with the YouTube algorithm, that will help other people see this video as well. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. I'm currently doing a new video every single day, and long term I aim to do several new videos every single week. So every week I'll be creating new content and putting new videos out. And if you've got any questions at all about wealth step by step, then please put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions. And if you want to contact me direct through email, I'm going to put my email address in the description, and you can contact me through that. And there'll be a link in the description that will take you to a page like this, be a home page here. It's got a lot of information on here that you can actually look at and get more information. And if you want to join our team, there'll be a sign-up link, and you can get started and join the fastest growing team in wealth step by step. We're here to help and support you and become successful with wealth step by step. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. They're my 5 reasons why I joined and why I recommend that you join as well. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.